What's up, guys? Welcome to Crown Rick Auto channel, where we search decommissioned police cars for goodies, weapons, guns. Today we're gonna search this 2006 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. We're gonna figure out where it came from, what it was used for, where it's going. We're gonna figure out what the hell happened here. So it looks like all the windows are bashed out. In the meantime, I gotta be watching out, be super alert. I got this flare gun as a self-defense weapon and this Fox pepper spray because we do have a criminal who broke in here. Let me show you where. Some loyalist came and cut the fence here. See? So he broke in and he stole my catalyst converters. Stole the converters out of this car and that car right over there. Damn criminal loyalist. Let's see what kind of goodies I can extract out of this. I have center caps. I have really nice tires, spotlights. Let's see what kind of goodies I can find inside. Nothing but glass in here. I'm not gonna stick my hands in there. Let's take a quick look inside. We got a center console, set of keys right over here. I wonder what the hell happened here. They probably used this car as shooting practice or something. I don't know. Maybe we'll find some evidence, figure out what the hell went on here. Oh, what's this? Sheffield knife. Cool. All right, found my first good goodie. Looks like there's a gun lock timer in here. I'm gonna have to remove. We have Wheeling Model 52 series. Gonna have to test these out. Check it out, it works. Check it out. All right, I'm gonna start putting all the goodies right here. So I have Nick over here removing the spotlights. Let me see what you got.
Really that stuck?
Here, let me see. No, you just gotta pull hard. Like that, see? Gotta give it a little oomph. Oh, bro. Look at this. You're slacking.
What? Where'd you find that?
Right behind you.
What the heck?
Yeah, it was camouflaging. I actually,
Slacking. You asked me to do a job.
No, I mean like you didn't see it. You're not looking for goodies, but you should be. Oh crap.
Here, I got you. See, you're lacking now. Can you reach?
Now this makes sense. This is probably what happened to all these windows.
Probably.
Yeah. Because all these windows are bashed out. This thing is pretty beat up. Okay, I saw something down here. I couldn't pull it from that side, so yeah, I know exactly what this is. These are the bars. Go right about here. Look how freaking heavy these things are. That's perfect because I got a security car coming that needs to be upgraded, so I could throw those on there. There is like gloves and stuff down there, but they're soaked in nasty water and I don't want to touch it. There's a plug down there. There goes the plug, and there goes the water. These plugs are good for covering up antenna holes too, just in case you didn't know. It goes perfect and it's real snug. We have to do the same in the back. Oh man, he's been a good boy today, so I'm gonna show him my little secret stash. Check it out. Oh yeah, these are marine little mini flags.
Separate flag.
A whole stash of Wheeling Dash King 2000 strobes. We got red and blue. I'm gonna autograph this one and post it, and I'll probably do the same for all of these right here because I got so many of them. Ooh, looky what we have here. A slug. Oh, super sock ammo. Yeah. Oh, there's some. Yes, another one. I don't know if these will work though. These are so rusty. There's more in there. Here's some wet ammo. You think they'll work, you said?
Maybe. I hope it didn't get on the shell.
All right. So, of course, we're having trouble getting into the trunk. I was thinking about getting it with the battering ram, but that's a lot of work.
Yeah, it's really heavy. We should probably get as close to the lock, huh?
Yeah, this guy, he's got experience with breaking in. We're gonna go ahead and try to yank it.
Right there.
Good to go. Okay, it's on the metal part. Ready, set, go! Damn it. That was a fail. I'm actually gonna save this bulb. It's a good bulb. Okay, try that one more again. Sorry. Yeah, buddy, this is gonna work. All right.
That might pull off the whole.
All right.
I'm dead serious. That might pull off the whole.
Okay, we'll try. Ready, set. Oh my, nothing, that didn't do anything.
Really?
Okay, I got an idea. That's the ammo we got. Let's go ask the landlord if we could use the shotgun real quick.
All right.
And yep, let's do it. I'm driving to a safe spot where I could shoot the trunk off. Let's go! Everyone else is too chicken to drive this. Let's do this. We're gonna go with the Super Sock first, then the Slug. Oh shit, you're about to shoot without recording.
It didn't work. All right, now this is a Slug now. Slug, look at that. Slug. Whoa.
It's on still?
Watch this, guys.
So I can stick my hand in there and grab it. All right, let's please be a biscuit. And holy crap, what is this? Dude, there's probably like a sniper gun in here.
Like a foldable one?
Yeah, Federal Signal Stinger spike system. Holy crap.
Whoa.
Holy. Dude, what the hell? Nice. All right, we're gonna have to Google and see how this thing works. Sick!
Pull the cover off.
Oh!
Hollow too.
Holy crap.
It's gonna fly the tire quick.
Don't step on that. Nice. Let's put it to the test.
Do it.
All right, let's see what else is in here though, real quick. I don't know what the hell that is. I definitely gonna want to get these tires swapped out because these are really nice. Let's put some crappy tires and let's go test it out. Let's do it. All right, we're gonna go test out the spike strips. I'm making this the LEI. Loyalist Eliminator Interceptor. Big shout out to LEI Industries. They're a company that refurbishes police cars. They actually inspired me to bring this baby back to life. They were one of my first sponsors, so I totally appreciate them. That's supposed to be a star of some sort. Well, they're supposed to be teeth. I'm gonna draw the funny man. What does he look like anyway? D76! Just in case anybody thinks we're the police. Look at what we have here.
Oh my god.
Crack piperoni.
That's disgusting. How white that thing is
Yeah,
disgusting.
that's disgusting.
Kalimat hidup di sini. Apa di mana? Ba tidak perlu bicara. Ini di mana jalan? Mana?
What the heck? Hey, how'd you get out of your cage?
Kalimat hidup di sini.
Hell no. What the? You borrowing shit.
You can't borrow the movie
I
car.
don't care what
You
kind of excuses you got.
get your ass back in jail.
You're a criminal.
Ah!